Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nishita and you're watching Namaste. It's been so long since I have vlogged. It's almost a month now and I feel like this is one of those early days when I started vlogging. But I'm happy I haven't lost all my confidence and it feels good to do something out of the ordinary. Today what we have decided to do is we have to anyway go outside to bring some food. We are out of stock in the kitchen and we need to go to the supermarket, and so we decided to just take a longer walk. Before that, we wanted to go to a park. There's a place here which gives you a whole view of the city that we live in, which is Cork, and it's a bit uphill. Actually, we already live a little uphill, so what we have to do now is we have to walk downhill and walk uphill again to go to that point. So it's almost, I think, 1.8 kilometers. 1.8 kilometers, and we have decided to walk there and just take a look at the view. It's a nice cloudy sunny kind of day today, and this is the best that we get in Ireland. It's very rare that you'll get a completely sunny day, and you know, the days here are really long now. We have sunsets at 10 p.m. at night, so we have a lot of time, and we decided to take a nice long walk, and on our way back we'll just go to the grocery store and pick up some stuff for our kitchen.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
So guys, we are on our way now and we just made a short stop on the way because subah se my wrist is paining really badly, and I don't know why. I think I sprained it, so I just stopped to get this wrist support for my hand. Actually आज Friday है और मेरा जो GP है, I couldn't get an appointment from him today. I have to wait all the way till Monday, and अभी weekend में I didn't want to aggravate the pain, and ये मैं पूरा टाइम नहीं पहनूंगी. Obviously I don't think this is something that you should wear at night, but during the day, you know, unknowingly मैं कुछ तो उठाने जाती हूँ तब it pains really badly. There is a pang of pain at some one position, so I think it's a mild sprain. I hope it's a mild sprain. अब तक कोई swelling तो दिख नहीं रहा है, but obviously I don't want to increase the pain, so I'm going to wear this for 2 days and hopefully it will stop by Monday. Agar nahi to I will go for the appointment and see what's going on. But as you can see, ये जो steps है मेरे पीछे, these are the steps that we are going to take to reach at the height that I told you about. It's called Bell's Field here, and you can get a view of the whole city, and let's go. So guys, we are here, and as you can see, it's a nice and sweet park here where you can sit and relax. आपको दिख रहा है लोग खेल रहे हैं पीछे, and let me show you the view, how beautiful it is. The clouds look so beautiful today, and कल का forecast बारिश का है, so we are pretty lucky to get this weather today. जो आपको यहाँ दिख रहा है, this is a cathedral. It's St. Anne's Cathedral, and ये जो दिख रहा है, this is a pretty famous architecture here. It's Shandon Mills and Tar. It's so peaceful here. I don't know if you can hear this through the mic, but it's really windy, and it's the perfect weather. It's not warm, it's not too hot, it's not too cold, it's just perfect, and I couldn't ask for something better to start the weekend, and of course my vlog after so long. And we are heading down, and before that I want to show you the Heineken factory here. As you can see, it is so huge and there are so many barrels over here in which I think they produce the beer or they store the beer, I'm not sure. But you can imagine how many liters of beer they produce every single day. And here, this is, I think this is their storehouse. So yeah. So guys, welcome back. I'm home and this is the next day. I came back yesterday from the supermarket and I did not vlog because I was so tired. We had a lot of stuff. We had to sanitize a lot of stuff. So I didn't get time to vlog. And today is Saturday, that's 20th of June. And I got a notification on my watch saying that tomorrow is International Yoga Day. So I am someone who does yoga regularly. I start my day with yoga usually. And I got this notification with a limited edition award on the activity app, which says that 21st is International Yoga Day and I have to do a 20-minute workout, a yoga workout, and I will get this superb award. Also, let me show you something interesting. हम लोग जब धनिया लाते हैं, we usually buy this small packet here and that's it. But this time we decided to buy a plant. यहाँ पे छोटे plants मिलते हैं for coriander, parsley, basil, everything. And price is the same. So we thought let's give it a try. तो as you can see, मुझे तो frankly लगता है कि इसमें quantity भी ज़्यादा ही होगा compared to this packet. It will obviously stay fresh for long. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Until then, don't forget to keep slaying. Did you just say slaying?
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.